say a ball now I be a problem pa. When slave queens are all Mexico na no be a stadium. Boys, girls will be a stadium there. And now some kid to Accra. Akoma 87.9. Where the FIFA World Cup opening game, Mexico versus South Africa. What the Bonacho opportunity, Mexico go! I go! Mexico in the lead. Mexico. Julian Quinos. They seize on a defensive blunder. Mexico in the lead. Almost the opening goal of this World Cup. 9 minutes. South Africa for now. Kasakwe mistake. Kodakio. Where a black man. Oh. Rowan Williams or passing bonus and Costati attacking. Bujemo de ma brantia ye freno. Sitoli. No, at the bono, echo chair, one headache, or yeah, not just say you're closing it down. Oh, Mexico in the lead, Hamza.
Well, still, Osha Mexicans now, I think say, Oma well settled because no pressure on them, Oma calming down, and whenever they are starting their build up, who's Oma converting instead of say, Liane 1-4-3-3, no, it tends to be 1-3-2-2-3. And then on 1-3-2-2-3, it tells you say anytime you are more less than 5 players there. It means say Oma marking South Africa backline 1 against 1 because South Africa have won used to 5 players at the back. So 10 piano 1-on-1 piano more 1 player marking that player. And then this incident they can't buy whereby high pressing be by Homa player in Lucibono echo true. So I was expecting say South African backline whenever they are starting their build up, instead of some starting patient, they should go with direct play. At least on push here, but on corner some keep ball at the back and say a multiple pressure. So it means say the Mexicans they are well organized in terms of attack, and also when they are defending, their shape is very well as well.
And here Coach Hamza or say Mexicans no me well organized. Now me say Uton with that on DBR for Akoma 87.9 number no 0208-853-995 0208-853-995. Now offer CCA a 60% discount at the demand.
Body orientation of the South African holding midfielder now. He should have stand in the halfway, but I had no original foot to whose side instead of so best Canadian coach. So it was poor body orientation from him and a good pressing from the Mexicans, and it's my mom they are considering.
Now just say Sunny South Africa number 6 original when you always one side the chance and all the pass no. I'm a Mexico for a personal ball. I'm a first goal no Abba. Mexico for in possession goalkeeper Rangel Raul Wajemo Diama Vasquez Wapia Edia Badi Fafaso Ababe Diabrantia France Montes one was switch play a ball the Coba Kumafaso one echo Vasquez BM one of the more than a midfielder. Watch them be a woman. Oma Pegasimo, one echo. Raul Jimenez, Raul Betima Fabona, Raul Nelson, Raul Botimia Fabolo. A corner kick. Coliso with that, and then walk up on a man and trash here. A corner kick. Your ball, the Tia South Africa. We done 12 minutes.
87.9.
Mexico Ashebako, South African team in Shebi. Where your FIFA World Cup 2026. South Africa and the form Akabako. Openya Bonesimo trade him opportunity. Opimbo Naso. Goalkeeper Rowan Williams. Wakada Bono Fefe. Rowan Williams. FIFA president. Wajiakunya. Papa with the club and uncles. ABA Herbal Clinic. What do you need? Glaucoma, cataract, tendency with this one. When you know, I said, oh, child, I said, what can I go next? What do you know? So one of them, Spence Yama be still one year, ABA Herbal Clinic, sexual weakness. What the member ye Edia grow on Pemmo, now fail out 207. Bema dear Okompema or represent to Bia, it was our two and in my account. Say a stroke, hypertension, prostate once and some now. What do you know? ABA Herbal Clinic. Kumasi or more quarter so can I say behind the main market. Samsung Doma Hinkro near Beneza Preschool. I just sent a Pia Kubi, Coastal Hall from our 0541 565 199 ABA Herbal Clinic. And I said 0502 812 161. South Africa for Oma Femua. A brandy I friend say Adams. A switchy play or share. Police over down and so senior man said, "Baby, I'm about 1 or 2 years yet." There was a who came quite in Musa. What's say, baby, I pass the coin, then yet. No moment the control, no moment let it down, you're passing. Control, let it down, yeah, pa. South Africa for Pamabi before, no moment do I shall go to see a Kodaki. You I shall go to South Africa for no, or your Kodaki. Rafi. What's it? Calm down, calm down. When we say Bokwena say, oh, Rafi, decision be what happens a wood GTA, and you're right. Decisions to be and you're right. Rafi, so far, we've seen some power on the official so far. Who rating out of 10? Obama the same.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Decision in spot on. Fantastic.
Say amendment to BBC.
New amendments.
Because I'm say the button said 22 minutes to be out, so I'm stopping. Now I'm not going to. They show me 3 minutes. They are not. Instead, they be now air color. Into the advert. It is a difference. So the everybody knows you are iron advert.
Tikana or Jeffrey Worldcup with $9.7 billion. And the FIFA edge. And yes, I'm good to what's it talk Robia Bayana Chefan? Be our tongue. South Africa on the move. Can they equalize? South Africa Bono Akodini Fafem. One echo. Police Omidao, Pian Bono Diabechi. South Africa or Kakadani. Pian Diabasanta Sekono and Chemosa. South Africa, they are finding a way. Can they equalize before the hour mark and answer 20th minute mark? Bono Ekita, Mexico. Bono, there no pressure on Mexico for the ball. Omoji team said, Opia, come. First booking. First caution about Mokwena. With the first yellow card. South Africa follow to Boho Mokwena. South Africa, African United. Zamoni Amadi didn't say. Be asking free. To Boho Mokwena. What's the first yellow card? Bono Abedi. South Africa gave no. It looked very open. Then so South Africa for the team 13. Mexicans, in Bokazi or the Bono Abetri. One echo. In Bokazi, we Pian the man goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Williams. Switchy play the call as raw. One kita board, CBC, all the way to goalkeeper, Ranhal, Raul. South Africa, after 17 minutes, they are yet to have a shot on target. Javier Agual, we have been a Wemukwaya Omojisha, you know. Nansu Mexico for the year. Woma pass Omodi any year, pa. Mexico for na pass Omodi any year. Raul Angel. Opeja bonazim, ompe problem. Bona bedi Raul Jimenez. Pinball on so. South Africa. What winning back possession. South Africa winning back possession.
Akoma FM 87.9.
The BIMO. I'm saying Mexico for no Omaji Braga, South Africa for the crowd. And more space via Opia. Ekitaman. Reyes. Opia the Canadian. The Mexicans are on the move once again. The Mexicans are on the move. Bono Ekita. Reyes. Opportunity. Julian. Or shot to plan, so Bono and Timmy and target. Bono and Timmy and target.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Kodaki Wamini, South Africa for you. Aguano Wahitiama match, 20 minutes. Williamo Oshua, the legendary goalkeeper, one also at the bench. So far, Mexico 4 about shots, one on target. South African team Mobi. Possession and Mexico 63 as against 37. It would mean that Mexico for the dominating game. The Mexicans are dominating the game.
Akoma FM 87.9.
High Akoma 87.9. Best brain publications. Best brain publications. One more say Sawupe books, textbooks, secretary, nursery, KG. Basic book 1 to 6. Nina Wamuobi. Mathematics, science, English language, computing, creative arts. Asantichi, Equiapimchi, Gan, Fante, Nina, best brain, and Abemabi. JSS textbooks, Nina, Ubenyabi Oho. From was 0507 200 200. 0507 200 200. Best brain publications. One more so account, one more tire cheaper. Rafi, Winton, Sampao. Washana Bay. South Africa, way Oman here. One met me up a man down the way I'm attacking any. The way I'm attacking a Huyepa. Yeah, Pimso, 21 minutes. South Africa for Betman to Amoka, and I said, Sanya Tomuna, Sanya Divi. Mexico on the move. Bonabedi, Raul Jimenez, Wasuchi play. On the bar right side, Bonabedi, Reyes Beded, Wabsuma Bonesimo, so South Africa for a Pimonevio, Bonabedi, in Bokazi, or Shisha, Live Foster, and so. Control ball my ball and trash it. The legendary Roberto Carlos Wane Baggio. In Canem Rantia than Uncle Crow, area supply by Referee man to bring Neja easy. So, referee, you see what to be 19 minutes. The trainer, no, actually, I am not actually young ones. We need to ban him. And easy. Yeah, twice. Bono Kutaro Williams. Wajemu Ariama, a brantier friends and Bokazi. Suma Bona Tente, so goalkeeper. Hey, keep an eye mistake. And here, Raul, why a mistake? Oh, South Africa. Woman to me and Sisi on the opportunity. Keep on the PN when to me and so board him. And I told him, Mokwena, to go over Mokwena, Nelson. Yakana show.
87.9.
Mokwena at the former Munyam, Rafi, why in the yellow card and the Yama Gutierrez. Gutierrez, the Codin Samonino. Brian Gutierrez. One more coach, yellow card and the other. Ref, initially, names that ref, will be play on.
That's not if you know. The Ecosina, communication gadgets no bɛka kyerɛ so wohwɛ wɔ kora bɛka sɛ ne ho anka no but late tackle nti na ma yellow card.
Referee say late tackle. And into the man, Omani yellow card, no. Gutierrez, watch yellow card. Into on the score sheet, Osha yellow card now. Obi Aji Bako. The ball home corner, one the Jinabonachi. A free kick, baby, a born dano. With me, Pedesimi, you'll be better than the worker. La Foster, CBC. Na me player, me channel. I am a believer. Hey, South Africa for the Dimbo. Mokwena Bakumienu wapeja bona sim neso. Bono antimiako. Wama pimbona flow. Abedi Mbokazi wasan suma bono at the code 80 ya neso. Bullion what defend the yepa. I'm a South Africa for the attraction. I'm going there when you show that Capo Verde for you na umuko muko jara too. Say Mexico new. That's what I should go now. Enti referee sani how kind emra na so. Almost say hydration break.
3 minutes.
Aye.
Until almost we had bet.
Hey, football the first day fun. They say business.
It's a business.
Hamza, so far 24 minutes. Osha South Africa for mu ye bibi e kire so betima Canada na say Mexico. And if you bet me they go ni bi aka ho.
Well, still Osha Mexicans now, they are keeping their structure very well, especially on more build up now whenever they are attacking. You see say almost change on format now for 3-4-3, which is where by albums or more back line or back three, and then they have 2 close players and then 2 wide players supporting the 3 up front. And over almost structure now, whenever they reach their final third now, you can see a lot of combination play from the attack and underlap and the overlap rounds, which is from the 2 midfielders no more behind the back line, the front three. Omon making a lot of underlap. And now attackers also are invited in. So then they are a lot of movement into a stretchy South African back line. And more multi and yet compact by Omu defense. And now more multi penetrated through Omu back line. So hoping South African coach maybe with this break you know be show a name 1 or 2 at home. Then no more how on be close on now. With this, you need to get 1-on-1 marking. So more yes, any more marking on 1 player behind that. Then they will get the advantage over you. And we have South Africans in well. Funny thing is, almost ball with back 5 there, but almost attack yard. Almost a similar system which is 3-4-3, but almost 3-4-3 and then be a muda on Uber and Obe do a wide side of the midfield. Obe do not pass na saint. Now also as running back. It Umbra no na as almost taking in the right side and on Ama South Africa for look a lot of less in terms of attacking. So we hope say inside the next minutes never a big changes between about technically from both sides.
Hamza, what should I say on a tactical bit? So we a coach and what we do we are okay. At the end tweak now what's that system no was a system and I said personnel now was
so where Mexicans now whenever they lose play, you can see much and you call 1-4-1. Yeah, which means anytime they are no more negative idea and say first back line or first back phone, they find it very well. By the second phone also Mujina right in front of the one player now pivot no omono organized. So and also South Africa for easy omunya born there should be quick transition in the middle. 1-2 there, they need to read their final place and all can be to make Mexicans midfielders behind. No so take advantage. It's my equalizer.
Yeah, I can see it so 27 minutes. Yeah, for 3 minutes. Hydration break no yaba. Football assistant. Mexico for number bonus in South Africa. Born abedi in Bokazi. And I say a brandy and friend said Modiba. Ojemuriama in Bokazi was switchy play. Born abedi CBC. One also at the Akoma. A brandy and friend said Okun all the way to the goalkeeper Williams in Bokazi about Tente or Shella Foster. No, so South Africa, there seem to be some bit of urgency. as one papa to one phone. Tibono, woman, you know, pushing more men forward. South Africa down, Neso, will lose possession. Mexico for the Boneba, Bono, Ekita Mexicans, the Mexicans, Neso, Julian, will be on the question. They are still attacking. Mexico still on the offensive. They are probing, chasing for the second goal. Neso, South Africa for Omasa Shishe into Omasuma Bono all the way back. Mausala Foster, all presidents. Or charge it down. And come here and say Mexican goalkeeper, no, it doesn't look too comfortable. Possession, 56, 38. Mexicans on the move. Opportunity. Neso. Bona Kobobi. Koniso Moda, Pedia Bonesimo Neso. Wobi Antimianfa. South Africa measure go na abede. Bono Ekuta. Fidalgo. Wapia Bono the Kwani was switching play. Right. Control Bono Fefe. Alvarado Neso. The cross no goalkeeper your friend say Williams was so move Fefe. South Africa A in Bokazi Uniaye Binche Umon Frio in Bokazi all the way back to the goalkeeper. South Africa for they want to build attack from their own half. Omu goal line no. ASR no omu mistakes. Akoma 87.9. We opening game 30 minutes near ball. Mexico Ashabako. Mexico Washabako South African team Shebi. Bono Abedi.
87.9.
Collins Hall, Wapia the man goalkeeper. Williams. Mokwena Niabre. Williams, Omasa Ebi. Wapia board of Fefe. Nankosha in Bokazi Naso. Alvarado, the Ricatente, we intercept play. We jam the man goalkeeper. Bono Abedi, Montes. Obono Tente. Naso. Ubieni wo inti abrantia ye freno. CBC wa control board FFF. Ababedi Okun to Mbokazi back to Okun to Mokwena. Okun once again now to Williams. Mbokazi in possession for South Africa. Over Piambono the question. South Africa for the Bobono Oma Femwa. A Angel Rock Misha. Angel Rock Misha.
87.9.
We a Angel group of companies. Woman at this Adroyaba, Angel Rock Misha. A male vitality. So we see Yadia a clear from one time. Angel Rock Misha. A Bemau proper relief. Angel Rock Misha. A do papa Benjaminso. So what Jumano Otnasiche. Usisi say Esifa Kwani, a jump former, trot drivers, taxi drivers, VIP bus drivers, Madronier, pharmacy Bia, Wamaimu, Urema, also Angel Rock Misha. Open the big ones who at 0244 186612 0244 186612 and now 0244 832286. Angel Rock Misha. And one you need 2 cc Yadiero. You hear from Bia Waton. South Africa omo winning throwing a offensive area. South Africa follow a winning throw. Watono tempa so bona bedi Mbokazi wapiani kwachi. They are dictating play. Kakra. Bono kuta South Africans. Opportunity La Foster Neso. Oh. They seem to always miss the final pass. The South Africans always seem to miss the final pass. A problem. Celebrated referee. Colina. Wane Marco Materazzi. Hey, Emranti baby ko. Oma baby ko. 33 minutes. 33 minutes. Bono Ekuta, Abranti France Gutierrez. Mujemu Ariama, Alvarado to Reyes Nelson. Mbokazi was quick to the ball. We intercepted play Mabona Trashe. A throw in a to Edietia, South Africa, Woma Femwa. Reyes. Sisa no delay Kakrebe Jeffrey Sebo to the Tamna and Radiaco. To Bon and Tampaso. Bono Abedi. Alvarado, Ojemu, the Biabono Adruno, a offensive area, Fidalgo, opportunity, Nenso, goalkeeper, Williams once again. Was saving situation. Galado to Praga, obey a low cross, Nenso goalkeeper, Rowan Williams. What's so boring with Fefe? Rowan Williams, referee today. Was say a throw in a mum. A come here and say Galado Nanko, we are distance Libiaka, or referee Fabrauchi. My friend, I'm more the born Abadachi. What to born in Tampaso, Abedi, Fidalgo, what born at ten at the Bonabas here. Reyes in control in their own half. Reyes in control. What Pierre the Bonaquetri, Montes. They are building beautifully from their own half. The Mexicans are in control. Total attempts at goal, Mexico. While you 2 attempts on target. When you 2 South Africa, they are yet to even have an attempt at goal. Not just a Galado, Mujemu, Manekitabono. The Mexicans, they are in possession. Bono Ekita, skipper Montes. Back to the goalkeeper. Rangel, Raul, Wabona Tente, Nelson. South Africa mounted up in Bonneville. Galado once again retrieves possession. Oh, now personal, heavy. Power and the pass, you know, when to be in control to South Africa for Ajibono. South Africa for Ajibono. Congo ointment. Make come form out. So, what do you know? I had to say, Mampamachia. What do you know? I had to say, a practical Congo ointment in the bedroom. What they fast wear any? As if Bama de Wadimonyam bottom, any papia Wadimonyam was say. Name of my body, Wadimonyam Utrimi, and was cane. When the Ananya boys in India. It will with the other also shed here a Congo ointment. And one I may come for at the amount. Say, Pompona ball. When Antema Pro ring well a Congo ointment. What the honors of a bone pharmacy beer was a Congo ointment. Miana may come for my Akoma FM. For 024901 7101 024901 71001 and that's a 0204 61. Herbal shop beer Ubenya Mexico for Nekita Boro. The Pierre Diama, a Brantia friend, Alvarado appear the question.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Wabɔ ne ten ne kɔbɔ nkuma fa so. Gilado control the fefe. Wakamba na chika kredi. Bono abedi abrantie France Vasquez. One so appear the ama Lera to Fidalgo. Attend the fefe. The Germany ama Gilado. Back to Vasquez. Mexico in possession. Akoma 87.9. Wapeja bonus no that's what be anyway. Mexico for lose as if that's okay with the goal. Lira will be up for the now home order form. And the referee for Mundi match in a camera bomb through. Hey, I would be an answer as a ref. What time will the answer? We are the they say the VR room, a goal line technology, and a camera room. Still, what we mistake. And therefore, I'm saying, more for.
Yes, it would be fantastic. Gucci man fast food. Now, Urano, where he giant screen pan and there to a mother game. Like, instead of the TV
and Gucci Utia, what's not about saying?
Yes,
fast food, yeah, what about saying?
Was it fantastic?
Aye,
it's a more
Gucci or China, no more Fambra. Gucci, who bet me a friend near the party amount, number in your manager's a friend. Fresia 0208 85 39 95. Gucci, for number no 0208 85 39 95. Fresia near my discount. You did the pound for amount. Yet to I can see so. Mexico for they are dominating in terms of possession on the scorecards. One more cell leading 1-0. Mexico for our share. South African team in here. Opening game, no energy, na me expecting, and yes, I me who know. As will be able to the baffle. That will be Cornwall, chain will be China penalty, be Barney a bush shot, but so far, and share that man, sir. Mexico, they are building up beautifully. Mexico, hey, a kakituabi. Born Kodu, Jimenez Waka, some see. Born and say, Omasa winning back possession, Galado, but Jebutiama Julian, were Pia Born the Abasia, Bono Ekita, Abrantia Frano, Reyes Bedeni, were Jebutiama Alvarado to Reyes. Pejana tente wanako. South Africa, Omapin born and so born and say chance. Oh, what a save! What a save! Goalkeeper Rowan Williams, indeed, he has proven to be one of the best on the planet. What a save! Raul Jimenez, the one carbon casino. It was destined for the back of the net. Next goalkeeper, Rowan Williams, was saving ball. South Africa, they are trying so hard, and so they are yet to find a way out. Julian will strike from this point. Julian, Neso. Bonakobobi, a chance, opportunity. Bonakobopo, my goodness. Eka kiti. Nanka second going by. South Africa, they are smoking at the fuel station. One more than you made Diablo. Hamza, I can't keep to a Benanka almost just a can go.
Well, I think the South Africans call breaking it by and you could see this time I'm more organized here, especially branch of anybody or left side of the defense. Very good in terms of marking. And however, Ojibons and the composure and okay. So Tembiano almost more pretty from the right side of South African defense, which is Mudao, because the system Mudao always moving attack. Until all combined parts now, they are trying to find the back line of the South Africans. Tembiano try now break it behind now. A bit many time, and then the first chance in the goalkeeper save, and then our next option is almost combined parts now. Our final play, you see that's almost call with cut back or give me a low crossing. First one, a buy, a first save. Second one, the pressure by my head go by, and the third one, the bit must happen. So, where Mexicans now, technically they are okay in terms of moving, and they understand one common language, which is the tactical play they are displaying in the game.
The Mexicans, tactically, they have been disciplined. One more to one more see yepa, and to one more build up, one more for so almost over you over film. South Africa, they are trying to use the set piece. So multimedia taker, police Mudao, with an attempted cross and so. Akoma Branty friend said, Glado, I'm a born on Trashe. A corner kick, I ball, I Mexico. A corner kick, I ball, I Mexico. Me say, Opese, who product, Opese, a young day at the Mawa. Number of best friend in here is 0208 853 995. 0208 853 995. A corner kick, South Africa. One ball, corner no shot. Ojebu bi omo pejesimo Hanako. Mexico for na pinball everywhere. Born inside. Abedi South Africa. One ball shot. That was an audacious strike from Mbokazi from long range. Obia Junini so be peja bono esimu biem. A long range shot where you more attempt on goal. Bono Ekita, Mexico, Galado. Wapia bono at the country. Wajemediama Vasquez and Suadiama the captain Montes. 2 goalkeeper Raul Rangel all the way to Vasquez. Wajemediama Fidalgo in possession for the Mexicans. We done 45 minutes. Akade referee the battle so Wapedesibo Julian and so Raul Williams. When the Mrikatanta pa Abayi born everywhere. Referee was saying stopping time no when the 4 minutes na there to so 45 na ason and so referee no the 4 minutes na there to so Ahaya Akoma 87.9 live commentary FIFA World Cup Mexico South Africa. Mexico are leading by a goal to nil. Mexico are in the lead. Obu Pia Bono, Wajemu Diama Galado back to Vasquez. Wasuka Kreb Diamani goalkeeper, Raul Fidalgo was Goli who delay Pia Bono bra. Ejie who did Diana Uye. Bobrani and Prehu anymore. Wapeja Bonesimo, Nelson Jimenez Fabo Yebehu, Wajemu Diama Alvarado, Nelson, Mbokazi Swamanakai. Mbokazi testa be defend the ball. Mbokazi ayi ball everywhere. A attacking throw in. Stadium no aboma se be. Wapeja Bonesimo Raul Jimenez. Raul Wajemu the question. A strike Nelson. Goalkeeper Rowan Williams. One on a goalkeeper Adema Masandawana, Sundowns in South Africa, the reigning African champions. Woman CAF Champions League, into South Africa, the more experienced players who are team. Name so far, they failed to glitter in the opening 45 minutes in the year. Woman Trebibia. Wapeja Bonesimo Waneko, Abrantia Freno, Modiba, Audrey Modiba in offensive area. Audrey Modiba Neso. A goal kick. Modiba Buaf was in referee. And I born now Unshebi. Referee born now Unshebi Anna. I no credit. Where they would be? Where they would be? Referee na moji decision bi na mo say oh I don't know menya ne ya na mo tiri mo feel say
Actually, yeah. Because a split second decision.
o man show so obey mistakes. Okay, fantastic. Referee came in no. O do akuta hweso na chewo. Kaladan Park nyina afodi ho. What would threaten referee wo the match way we ya ba feel was o boa we ya medi. BNC. South Africa for side the Bonacoche, Raul Jimenez. Bono Kutia Julian Bededi. Damini Maka, Wapeja Bonasimo, this should be a second goal. Oh my goodness. Mexico. This should have been the second goal. Gutierrez. It was a scoring opportunity. Gutierrez. Oh. Comes out. So we a coach now player. Yes, yeah. What you are? Yeah, now yes, yes. Coaches, motor pressure group. This situation. I'm a fan say.
We say dynamic the game insight, and then where this is making how to execute the play. Technique no also the ball no one come. We say also call inside foot instead of instep no boy. We outside play no boy. Into yes unya right technique now open in football so discipline game say one nas or going two if you unya results.
Say one now going to results now open unya. Redness the Miricatan tenants went to me and Fabono. Send your Mexico for you, boy. Only a serious or match goes in the Biaco. Referee was Shana Band, your Freddy Canning in Abbey. Referee Shana Band, your Freddy Canning in Abbey. The Mexicans, they are in frenzy. They are leading by a goal to nil. They are leading by a goal to nil. Akoma 87.9. Okay, first half, Nina Abanawie, South Africa, Mexico, LED by a goal to nil. 9th minute, and I brand here first Julian at Atana Edema, Mexico, South Africa for no up him. So I went to me until second half. No, you says South Africans, no, a bit to me. I was here first 45 minutes. Abba every year didn't live up to the expectation. Say opening game, first half.
Well, so once I say a new game, you be sa free flowing. No, as I say, these are not two sides. Omunina about possessing football. One will try to possess, the other will try to use the long balls. And so here, South Africans, long balls, do and work it. Emma, shot on targets, and yes, unexpected shot now. That boy and Komunya shot on targets, yes. But social Mexicans now, they've been very possessive. And so more football nibiana also more shada more long passes no or more try say or more short passes no na interpositional play no so and anytime they decide to move won't say the South Africans are under pressure. So I think South Africa should be careful. They are lucky say or more down by just a goal because that ball ball pull no then that miss kick no Senka a couple and then the South Africans should be very careful. Say goalkeeper Williams, say or restart play now. So I mean, anytime and the player no, nechi any facing Mexicans in the piano or Jibona ya no 10 the mubako and as I mistake by now. resulting in a goal. But what I've seen, I just say one thing though game na and day South Africa coach na so working on how to restart play. Say goalkeeper na mobile ni simidia. Na coach Hamza, I was very happy so I say boy in the position. Positioning very important. Yes, because say or 10 year and won't lose sa ball. But yeah, inti on working on how to position the players. Either say or better or in motion. Na ball na ba no wafa e de move and na say so gyina de na or fa no de ama goalkeeper ni bio and na player or ben pa no opia de man nti so it's been the first 45 minutes so the make yen said that ehun pa to pa football because the South Africans are not in the game though they are not out omo said that involved and the Mexicans na ball no person ball no omo said that because omo person ka South Africa epie ba nanka omo possess no no more, but the South Africans are not coming. Almost a coordinator when Mexico for board now. Or more able passes no or more half while or more try say or the move South Africans no would draw. But I think the South Africans are lucky. Mexico should have been leading by at least 3 goals for now because so here or more balls are caught. South Africa goalkeeper no so na senka emu 3 and 2 or 3 be ato atenemu a enka enye nwanwa because look at that saver goalkeeper no epuli and now ball na baso yes the striker didn't get a full touch of the ball so sure that small touch no nya no direct ball no eba post ma senka one spring it and find say an ball no so it could have gone into the net but so far you said them a dangerous play by South Africans so then the Mexican goalkeeper should also be careful. Say, ya boss ni be ban passes now, man. Ya na too close to the opponent, no. One way na play a bit stretchy, and now so to no over from waji ball into the passes now, or best one in defenders na bonus, no. On your careful, because one way a miss kick be a call at a South African player, Nibia, or what they are taking. But first 45 minutes in there, may impressed, is answered, then I may expect it, and on the pepe and album.
I was your penny Sammy a champion or say or impressed. Referee, my share the refereeing side, 45 minutes opening game, host nation, a ball, on the fee. Referee, have you been impressed with the entire officiating team? No?
Yeah, so far my idea. But so idea as a game at the park so far. Now the new amendment no more say do throw in who keep a ball more than 5 seconds at a
yeah.
So who's the ball throw the bar so being confirmed on home.
Yeah.
Because so called when we say could do a bit omuchi the referee and sanitary home. And no can home. In this rules now aban. Every game no aflow. And every match we see no my friend is aqua because next season a league and also a better juma. And around for insia name share and yama a beko we. But who say this is the first time you implemented rules way.
Yes.
Into anybody who is watching this match, or you think a person be especially a referee or here sir and near man, see the bear a bit near it is also Mexico for goalkeeper no on the sort of ball because it says not 8 seconds. They say match so about 5 seconds. They say on the so ball on the 9 and now goalkeeper so one or the other the coaches and so I antidote to the FIFA diabano. Into a Ebema game no aflow. Go ye least mistake. Which ball no? Maybe I'll be Jena when you referee start take 5 seconds or beji corner against you. And the corner beat him bona question. Into the idea my game no to flow. Yeah, match
referee and now at the kind of Kevin no experience. My member Coach Hamza, Coach, questions that me busa you too. First of all, so we Javier Aguirre as Mexican coach. Now have 45 no more born any chances of money. What will be the conversation at Unu we are not a South Africa team no cut down by 1. Pep talk same partner for second half.
Well, on the part of Mexicans, almost build up from behind, which is build up preparing to score. And so we hear almost build up now. Patiently they are okay, and almost passes now at the back very okay. Do midfield so a lot of quick transition from there, and do attacking third now, a lot of combination play, and a lot of movement there. So Osha, Tembia no move no draw more middle now. The system tends to be 3-4-3 of which are more 2 close players right in front of the back three, then 2 wide players supporting the front three. Tembia no omunikura no more 5 players in your half. Into omutiminya numerical advantage in the middle. With this type of play, no, Tembia no be create a lot of chances, and the possession play no be a bit more. And what the way omo do middle third now, you could see say the front three of Mexicans no more stretchy team no wide, which is right and left wingers no move beam, then the center forward needs in the middle. Into one way Abeka so you open omo give you vulnerable more 2 central midfielders no go with underlap rounds. And the Tembia no go no almost share na player no or running be right in the middle and obey me T-ball no. And 2 chances so many nyina so almost running through the middle one as our passes na ba almost no. So tells you they are systematically okay or they understand their play tactically they are okay. And also omo problem so omo defense no omo lose ball na quick no matter turning to 1-4-1-4. And no, and now we have first back line of their defense now they are well organized, but in the middle no na poor organization or and I'm a bit mama South Africans, you know. So when I get back to them, also when I was a coach, you know, into use advantage now quick transition call me the normal team they punish into one and omo say more problem can goalkeeper no. So tell me lose ball no quick once and a back line in now organized and then organizing and then they are calling the ball from the goalkeeper because as a keeper no the decision making no too decisive as who say ball and answer passing a quick. Tembia no delay me close down. So that is idea also coaching working on the part of the goalkeeper. His decision should be very quick in terms of mobile there. And because South Africans no, whenever they are defending, you could see some organized with the back 5 no, and then the 3 in the middle, the 2 up front on NS South Africa problem. So 2 up front no also almost ultimate track Mexicans no, so more attack almost 3 back no
Adams, JD,
but omujina masa 3 up front no be me be sound no maka. So Tembia no Mexicans no produce a lot of players into munya advantage. So this time now I know say marking started free up front. So the 2 up front now South Africans need they need to get ready. And they should start the putting pressure and then the other players will give cover. And also we had the distance between Omo midfielders no attack now. Omo attack here is too wide. That 3 players gab need them to Tembia 2 players no and a kutabo near press or near GF from them. And more advantage over Mexicans, no? And Oceans were almost strength power in terms of defense. Almost left back, you know, which is a brand of 14 years, you know, very fantastic player, very organized at the back, you know. And no, and Abuama South Africans, no, Muntimin consider and no weakest defensive line, almost right side, Mudao no, Oko, because more attack, almost give you 3 and then almost give you 4 in the middle, almost too close, too wide. Mudao no be more wide. Elusubona, he need to run in. Now holding midfielder and MBM unko no mention now. But opeso running direct eba no be show in time on Drobia na omowenga no I decided. So that is idea South African coaching so also working on it ebe buano. Wanye ne sa second half omoba. Since I show some videos and then some tactical play on the board show my bit me akosi omo down.
It's maintaining the same shape on the start here and I now feel say
with the South Africans the way our Mexicans near were organized play, no, they need to maintain their back 5 no more bonus. So they be on best stop it, but it shouldn't be say almost open up wider. And you can almost be him. Tembia no almost try some keep compact. So they be a pass be almost mean give penetration passes. Anna almost combine almost pass up front now. Almost share Tembia almost find the back line of almost team almost play behind that players no run it under and over. And it's helping them, especially where they link up between South African midfielders no more forward now. They know that move no underlap and then overlap rounds no. Straight forward for to me running back in now midfielders now running up. And only this South Africans no. So I think with for instance South Africa for one there, I'm try some keep almost structure no very well in the same way, but the Mexicans no now. One thing I also add there, whenever they reach the final area, they should shoot from behind because any more munya face go no. They shouldn't try some combining their opponent direct. They have to combine and then shoot from behind when they have the space. That is idea. Me suggest they are coach.
Me busa with one question. Ocean South Africa, the only attempt to manya on target, you know, Mbokazi was shooting from afar. But also mutim no more Tembas Wani and in himself or yes, you know, Ocean anymore so evidence Makopa and so Say no waka say the likes of Foster and Renes omo ntimi are they impressing well anyone. Over suggest say a change in terms of personnel for the second half and I say maintain it for a while and sana.
Yeah, there should be change. Even the change should start from the middle. The partnership between Mokena and then Situ, no, Situli, no, it's not helping.
As a quantity.
Because where, as a say, no, when on started build up now, on the Mokena drop it deep. Because on the Situli, no, the confidence level, no, that is on no drop it deep. Into drop it deep, or also Situli, no, corner. Still no, you know, into 10 beyond on by a pa. Say a marking here easy. And the most South Africans need to be combining or more passes now on person bono. And one thing I made edgy coach and they said they should stop playing from behind or more direct play. They should put their team up front and then push everybody up. And goalkeeper no good kicks. No one call with direct play. And no better more challenge the back line of Mexicans. Almost almost deficiency. Yes, going say the Mexicans in Sabbath use the same plan normally pressure on the ball on their punish.
Okay. I was caught for the second half. Now, as an African, would you expect to say, yeah, sure, say, based on the wash in the first half, South Africa beat him back in the game. I bet a game in their favor, and I say, if you say, I never was based on game now, or share in the first half.
So the Africa 7 ban Mudia said before the game, me can say the football twinche. Me which partner says South African keep baby na Mexico ashom be 8. Because adia or more ya wo mukrumono bufu pa nti they don't have my support nti ye no frame na game no more bonus no muntimi match Mexicans no Mexico wall ahead nti me wish no ene me didi say Africa na Ghana man nyina said you be against no me ye sure say bebam but said the coach can on say coach tactician into the room into the tactical side no na make us say sa short play no interpositional passes na South Africa ball much on emwa e move back on the result too in that mistake ne kofa gunbe and coach aka the same thing work say or switch from that Nanka Williams and more long balls no more from moving share bia on bet me I be in the second half. I don't expect it Mexicans no mum and they say or more a better or more conversion rate, so the bear no bet me a goal or two. I can't definitely the Mexicans are going to score again and they will win the game.
Okay, referee routine Sampao Washana Bangs here for Tosu and so. The South Africans are in possession. Warren Williams, over here first half now. I'm a to Warren Williams, on one side the ball, I got check. South Africa, on the ball, I got check. South Africa, over the ball, I got check. Oh, Mexico. Oh, Mexico. On the ball, I got check. Mexico, so oh. My financial investment and I am Shishaba. Oh, baby, I want drip there. President now to me monche. Oh,
87.9
Mexico for na omutim na mzo omonyado omonya omo masantino omo timino omo. Yeah, twaso. Pia bono ade abananim. Koliso muda. Koliso the pia bono odiama La Foster's went to control. Bono abedi Mexicans, Fidalgo, that's so. Passing on my Julian and Timian control. Bono Free Nancy, Ababedi goalkeeper. Rowan Williams, with Pia adequately in Bokazi.
Akoma FM 87.9
Pia Bono 10 1 HSC, that's what Timmy Alpha. A Brantia Efreno Renes. One Timmy and Fabono Renes and Timmy control ball into Bona Trashe. And you're throwing Omatubon and Tempaso. The Mexicans are controlling the game. Mexico Wamo bobono Koda kino ni bobo paye Koda kino peya bono oh goalkeeper ni pie into where so bobo na sinechi
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nanso Williams who the ball all the way to a so simple cry. Koliso Wajemu Bono Abedi CBC Ono so apia ma branche friends Okon wakwade na akofa bono so ama bono akwati akamo bono akwati akam Mexico we ade ejo mo mese no Mexico we se na be dia Korea fo no be shemo wapia ade ko abrantia ye frano Koliso Baba born tente ababedi mokwena ode bono akwache Mexico for so asa de bona chebiem we dey FIFA as won impa no pe we no come here say match of equals akoye match of equals Fidalgo wapia do kwachiri Vasquez wajemu adema Montes ya Akoma branche friends Reyes wapeja bonus Julian wa control fefe this could be the second goal oh referee today referee aje penalty was on the record at the South African defender no oh Sitoli on one hands on the ball of first half no. What the record? As when you're confident, game now bono as well who so
Akoma FM 87.9.
Nenso Tembers one in your bench, minimum get the other way go here. Oh Mexico for na Casano Gutierrez no Oyayaro Bono, I'm saying free kick mum. A free kick mum. A free kick. Gutierrez Bono baby I was on what they find and you what they find. What's on the Bono be shed him? Referee. Record. Debatable and answer is the right call.
With the right call. Who said we how or defend you need last be a defender be our way. Nti we no office enema HSA we were first we deny against goal scoring opportunity enema na nyina he was moving towards goal defenders ni ho baby ana ball ni dance we say we see obi team goal area no more the move no say again o ball no touch but we all office all come office directly towards goal nti we no kana now we say last month nti record ni dey so on one case dey chere no na one complaining because when say I didn't essay. So you are some things now. We are going to America, you know, not from us. The way I call it, boom, you know, you are too good.
Referee Ikemenu Ochechrebuno. A free kick, baby, abandoned at the year. Raul Jimenez, Raul Bakumienu, about short opportunity. Born and say Mexico. Oh, Mexico for no. Dabi. Oh, Mexico for no. Papa, serious team be a show about bomb 4-0. Mexico for no pa. Chances upon chances. And they keep squandering all the chances. Oh, South Africa for no. I've heard the almost one pass where Chirobio or Mubesim. Once you want pass it, you Mubesim. Mexico on the move. One echo. Nenso. A brantia frano. Koliso Muda or the Abiawa mano. Bono Atrashi. A brofu stadium. Bet me the dear Philly. I have seen Tabatrans who have to put 2 years ago. Brody. Ah, Debbie, we take it now with an ice cream near you. Yamin Shrabroni Debia. Me Pebronia Sembia. I corner kick. Ya boy, Adia South Africa. One ejina bonechi. Gutierrez. Bakumi and Wapeja Simoneso. South Africa for a pimbonefio. One echo. La Foster so. Wabo him say Lira. Mexico for Munyadi. We blaster betima show bebre.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Obisi na enya na nsia na mo no boy. Ano na ye under 23. South Africa are a goal down and also a man down. A kwambe pa no mbefa so atike ya hye. Ekono emuya na ye dem mo. Opening game and Omaji record. Ye to akensie no so Mexico for no
Akoma FM 87.9.
na me firi mu fi na ne oma ye ya me ne mu ni hwi ye biem. Bono ekuta Vasquez. Wapia Adama Abranti Efense Gelado epia kwachire. Wabobo nim say too what a wonderful pass. Scratch it to me far. Oh. Mama boy na wie pay. Send was switchy play ni na fe ye pa. Nezu went me anfa bono. Went me anfa bono. And you throw in a two at South Africa. You told it here South Africa on my family.
87.9.
South Africa will win the possession. Mokwena. Pioneer. With Jemo the man forward. And Branty and France Rennes. What is the man Coliso was switch play on the call 50 of them. Bona Bedi. Modiba. Onyo bian passe ball mano. Finally, Mukwena sabaji bono. Mukwena diama modao back to Mukwena. Mukwena bedeni. Womunyina kwa shishachiri. South Africa strike. Hey, keep away. Mufata mbazwani mrem na keeper no nya dia mububo bi kwaro so ambeje. Who go Bruce Rams and Aswani Gagra? Go so far the anchor was a change. Then so yeah, to us 55 minutes. Akoma 87.9. Congo ointment. Chairman Pele and Krusa be a good body now for Congo ointment. No, a beginning in everywhere. Say I'm Pompo Bonnie been a bow. Ayo nantem na proprobi abaho hunam na kikawa ayo Congo ointment South Africa for effective fair exchange La Foster Ephraim ama Telante Mbata wano ana babeshem Mbata beshem adema Live Foster Send your medical can a Congo ointment. Heba shop bia ubenya biato. Kumase Danny Farmer Sam and Co. Hello Heba ewo Okanshi. Repash Heba ewo Okanshi. Gapson Pharmacy Kofordia. Christ is the answer. Takrade ubenya bi. Ubetima ju oma numbers no afre 0240 0204 616161 0204 616161 and after 0249 017101 a Congo ointment. South Africa for the Bobuga. Bono mo one of the one show Metimako 2 men down. Oh, Audrey Modiba, that was a bad foul. It was a bad tackle. Referee, we foul a disabled card na.
They do it when you careless. He say your means other carers records were using excessive force, including a careless. Yes, they are foul in the game and look at. Like a quite reckless there. So the first 2 years look at the man. We told us any careless yellow cast.
Referee, watch them. Was away careless. Jim foul when I yellow card. But quite reckless. Not just a lawyer, no. Over to me, plenty pra. I know the yellow card. Referee came and watch them. I had to be beer them out. Yeah, mouth touches and on here show the laws of the game, the rules of the game. Free kick back home, you know, my pejasimo. Nanso. Bono and say, one echo. Mbakazi, Bobo Bonim said to me. Nanso Bona trash here. And you throw in a two at South Africa. Our Mexico. Roberto Baggio, one FIFA president. Oh my dear, a member Shaboni view. A member was stadium, Papa. Mexico still in possession. ABA Herbal Clinic. Say glaucoma, cataract, tendency when so, sexual weakness, menstrual disorder, hypertension, stroke, prostate in a liver and kidney related issues, and struggle. Boafone ABA Herbal Clinic. Kumasi ube huo mo kwada so juna say behind the main market. Samson Adoma Hinkro near Beneza Preschool adjacent to Pierre Kubi Coastal from 0541 565 199 0541 565 199 and that's a 0202 812 161 0202 812 161 ABA Herbal Clinic and I may come for any amount. Yet two I can see it so Bono Ekuta South Africa I want my family South Africa and so when your man is on message almost done. South Africa. Tournament where they some German Nigeria will qualify and okay yo. South Africa born no more than Asian crime. Woman sound the Bono Akoma nim. Man Ekuta Bono. A Brantia Fredo. CBC. Nelson born trash here. What you born in Tempaso? Man Akoma Kwena. Bopia de Akoma Modiba so Ariama Ukon to CBC back to CBC and come here and say Mexico for they are okay with 1-0 one goal no match and I'm so we are okay because a man down park Gabon Zabia by aggressive kakra still now shada who be Audrey Modiba was a referee. Now they all more yellow card enemy. Gutierrez. Tembazwani finally. Tembazwani. Obem Ababeyi Abrantia Efreno. Adams. Yes.
It changes, you know, by 10 seconds or so. One PR. Referee. Global Comedy 1 minute as an worker. It also be a percent.
Yes, Jaden Adams was Frim Ama Tembazwani. Wababeshem. Bono awo Mexico afemwa. Opia Bono Tempaso. Mexico. Omu Pian Wachre Vasquez, one in Inia Montes. One more Chabo Wachro. Opia Dema Fidalgo back to Vasquez. South Africa airball a man down. Yasho Mobako Omasa the red card. Nanso afedi omo press paye Mexico Fidalgo Opia Bono kwachire. Bona Mexico bono ntrese side bi omo ya. 10 against 11 no dia na sa pass with keeper. O be dey.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We dey say opening game cry excitement in him. Bona di Raul Jimenez Rafi Washana Bay Police over down. Hey Rafi we no mo judge the say.
So no, that's a contact in said then you be but if I say you play dangerously, maybe your man and also no call him. The day ya very far with it. The enemy let's see how you.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Javier Agual I'm say opeso be effective change. 63 minutes. Mexico 1 South Africa 0. Raul Williams wapeja bonasim or the striker. Nenso Mexico for Fabono. South Africa for Aje. Omo money bro mathematica no. Fise Cruz no mo shada nyade. Wapeja bonasim South Africa nenso. Bono atrashi. Kolinso modawa ntimi ankofa bono. Audrey Modiba. Hey, bibia bi wo mu bio. You pay wo wiase bia bi wo stadium. Guess no mo ti wono. Utim say you wo mu free fridge man wo mu bay. Wo mu ye yopo. Wo be kom no obi na atu am wo mu. Wo mu $2,000 is wo be her ball. Na one wo ni mu no. Senior man bi na ya jono time. Na me break. We free obi botom. Bono ekuta Kelado Bobo ni setum Hamza so far Mexico for no way South Africa caught down by a man by a shadow who agency be our Mosai.
Well, game ne kusia hona mental toughness ne ya juma no. This attitude na South Africa for putting in they should have started it earlier and come starting this year and can consider this goal no. This time they know so they are down by one player so one against one marking, and then the player no put a ball no all eyes on that player. So the ball now the nearest player you are marking, will be Liverpool player no go close on down near cover. Anything I'm much more organized on one side. And all here Mexicans now one goal no match no or two relax and at the above said they are comfortable in terms of passing. That is why I'm more rush it the brain. Some combine passes now, then they find the right time and then they pass the ball to the net. And no sooner idea about me across because South Africans now want to say, I'm play with counter play. A certain more they can use their back line and try to punish them. Because this time, no, or back line or who say they are down by players, so always they try to open up and play. So there's a big wall between the two center backs. Of which I'll meet more easy and they are punishing.
Mexico for no a double change. Fidalgo Ephraim Gutierrez and so Ephraim. Fidalgo, Ephraim, Gutierrez, Ephraim, Chavez, and then Mora. Chavez and Mora. Gilberto Mora. Wobem. Sanson and Matthew Chavez. One also Abeshem. Why Gutierrez, Ephraim. Mexico, they feel they can do more. When can I want to play? Now so, I'm saying, Quanus running nine. South Africa, they are fighting like real African lions. They are fighting for opportunity to score. Bono Ekuta Mexico. Mexico in possession. Hey, Mexico. Moya Di Bonio. Lera. Mexico for the year Di Bonnie. Mexico still in possession. But Piambono at the core, the Favaso, one echo. Mexico can they score? Opportunity go! Raul Jimenez! Raul Jimenez! Mexico, patient play has paid off. Fantastic goal. It's a headed goal. Omo Bakumienu San, Omo Pian the Cody Favaso. What Peja Boni Simon, Raul Jimenez, oh Panyai. No apem at the Atuatrem. Mexico, they are leading by 2. Mexico Fulham striker Raul Jimenez o movie ade akọ Wolverhampton graduate asama to no nya asam ketwa obi pem no ma ne tin mu pie na wo say yekoye surgery nti wo ne say ade bi hye ne tiri na ne tiri no emu pie sa emu pem no ma ne ska no bubui nyame pe ene boafo nyame na age no wono na hye second goal Hamza. It was a beautiful goal.
Well, Oshe Mexicans and Saddam Akano, almost star. So, one how because as a woman, mobile. That is their star. They want to exercise patience and then combine their play. And almost say the weakest part of South African team, almost right side of defense. Into what here first half, I was talking about a Branton or right back without him. So here we are late marking was almost 5 steps and some of the player now who tells you say this is an indisciplined player official. Technically he's not there. So the coach need to psych himself and then make sure say obey me I take 1 or 2 changes. If not, I almost have it to consider from that same part. Because whenever he attacks in the recovery very late. With this, he should stay and then block the back line. That is first, that is the primary option. He should defend very well instead of attacking. This time, you are down by 1 player. And technically, you could see say the Mexicans are there, and then tactically, they understand whatever they are doing. Always they try to find behind the back line of South Africa for and it's media course or Mama money of goal.
The Mexicans are 2 up. Yes, I got 3 minutes break in me. I feel there. I Worldcup. We are monetizing Worldcup no. It is a ocean kwa year a mabufu. Dia na ye. Sikasam no here FIFA are very necessary. As I said, almost 80 omokanti. Mexico enya the second goal. Ref.
Yeah.
Initially, them say bia striker na running ahead, but Osha what is
no into the sheer ball. At the time of the kicking, they be an offside. Yes, you have to make a ball. So that time no ball, no near offside. Yeah, and you should do is no was. Yeah, where he is. Where was the player and the ball? The Basana
87.9
Ebasa na oje offside na enye Best brain publications. So open books, textbooks, papa. O mabesua na disua na timi aboa modachia. Best brain publications. Woman na go for all preschool textbooks adiaba. Say crèche, nursery, and as a KG. Basic 1 to 6 textbooks omobi. Mathematics, science, English language, computing, creative art, history, religious and moral education, French, Asante Tree, Epiapim Tree, Gan, and Fanti. Best brain publications, and I go for by JHS textbooks in basic 7, basic 8, and then 9 combined, meaning no mobi. It is a Maswaya, almost a head office, no. Kumasi Pankrono behind La Posada Hotel, where they only more grab Metro. Wow, and now best brain publications, Janambes no from 0241 520 946 0241 520 946 and that's 0507 200 200. Best brain publications. One more and American for Eddie Amount. We have 2 against and so. Bono Equita, Mexico. A Brantia, your friend said Vasquez.
87.9
Vasquez will control a whole year, papa. Defender will bet him about 120 minutes now. Ombre. Oh, you saw what you know, you should bring him more. But Jamie, where they are Montes. The way I'm online breaking passes in the yam, papa. Mexico for Bono Eguta, Raul Jimenez, Raul Nas Rafi, or say offside. Offside. So, per se, your ball product, or store, or restaurant. To make the beer would be a what per se a young wounded day at the Mawa, 0208 853 995 0208 853 995. For numbers, no, not fair. Now your mouth 60% discount 0208 853 995. Hi, Akoma 87.9 97.9 FM. 72 minutes. 72 minutes. 72 minutes. Mexico on the break once again. Mexico. Referee said no. Referee said no. A collision. And I said, referee instantly. Ovin is a referee. Saying.
So one jet. When you know some class. I say, so we see, and first of all, you get them there. But so you find
Maybe me who say a penalty referee.
We no block number 19.
Because he had no eyes for the ball.
Yes,
As of course,
player.
oh, Vieira 90 yeah, to I can see so. Oma peja bonus in Nelson Mexico. Oma say defend the beam. A control ball no Julian. Hey, CBC. South Africa will end this tournament as the most indisciplined side. So far, yellow cards and I'm so much me, sir. I don't imagine red card back. Incosiniti CBC. South Africa, they will pay tripa. Oh, that be way violent. Referee, way reckless in India.
I say a reckless, it's no man yellow card.
Okay. A violent conduct.
Okay.
87.9.
Hey, CBC, no. I'm saying, Tokwane Yafro, no. Akoma 87.9. Angel Rock Mixture. Angel Rock Mixture. Way Angel Group of Companies. Womana Akofaba. Way at the Dubrani Harman ya Kambo Chemical Bianca. So we are Beman and Pemuno. We are way a vitality in men. A bow a yeast yadia at your free war. Who are Jumano Osodiano Pa Obetra Tososa. We are truck driver, truck driver, VIP, taxi driver, what a bank, what offices. Now what now to the mooning na a Angel Rock Measure. I know, and I recommend the area amount. Nemum a draweno or onyama on Fabi or Mao Badu Forswa on Fabi. Fred 0244 186612 0244 186612 and that's 0244 832286. Angel Rock Mesha. And what dinner papa. Aye, Pabene. Wo Fanny and now we know what. Angel Rock Mesha. Angel Group of Companies. One more Mokofa, don't go beaters. I don't go 1, 2, 3. One more and a day a drawaway abba. One more and I saw the Angel Cream. A buyer. A product papa. Mexico SIA changes beam. Mexico air changes. A brantia a freno. Lira Eric Lira will film Ama Alvarez, Edson Alvarez, one who was in Academy West Ham. Samson Gonzalez, Amado Gonzalez, one of them.
87.9.
Mexico for one of 4 changes. South Africa also say yes, when you woman Swaya Sakrae, Modiba, Frim, Renas, one of Swafrim, Modiba, Frim, Samson Renas, also a Frim. A police is coming on. One year Brantia, Freno, Evidence Makoba, Womu Ababe Shem Yama, the Bafana of South Africa. 76 minutes. 76 minutes. Ahaya Akoma 87.9. Rowan Williams, Wabo him say to one echo. Nanso to nobody. Ababedi goalkeeper. Raul Rahel. Goalkeeper. Raul Angel. Watu bona Simo. Mexico for they are dictating play. I said, almost build up, almost so patient.
87.9
Almost did this a
Kumasi.
moment in the Babanti, Nikwasi, a force. Sana Mehu Mexico for game. Woman born on Sunny and air speed in air, you know, and your sanity. And Kakranka Krasa, no more Pia. We are mistaken. No more Bow View. Sana Mexico for the ball. Bono Akuta Vasquez. Vasquez, or Jemudiama Gonzalez, one also appear. Bono Abedi, Gerardo, Mexico. They are playing
Akoma FM 87.9
some cool
Kumasi.
football. Where them say coaches now more nim tactics baby no. I'm gonna show more by enjoy. But yeah, I pay you the answer. Too many canny way for 9 fast on here. I was saying. I feel the OPP. Bobby said yeah. I am not nice spectators and you are feel. Julian, the goal scorer, Ofrim, Ama, Alexis Vega, Julian Efrim, Ama, Alexis Vega, Bem. Attacking throwing, near toward the South Africa.
Akoma FM 87.9
Oma to board the
Kumasi.
Tempaso, was switch play, a ball and the call. Ifan Faso, Gerardo Abedeni, or the ball who rap post in Mebehu, or the ball who rap post in Mebehu. That's all. South Africa for not to board everything. South Africa in possession. South Africa in possession. On the ball Abedeni. Mokwena, passes our membre. Mokwena the ball coach. Oh, referee. What then you guys out your foul? Unia or home pass it. Oh, I don't think this was a foul.
87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
South Africa, evidence Makopa. Or the TH born and so. Born on Timianco. Mexico for us, we need by possession. Or Pian the question. So far, the game, I'm saying, or more money the most touches, you know. I am Mexico 4 and 5 in number 3, no. One more Cheboni year, papa. They always try to draw the attack. Mumra and Sania pass it.
Akoma FM 87.9
Bono Kuta South Africa.
Kumasi.
Women to many consolation biara. South Africa, they are building up. South Africa, strike so. Goalkeeper na so bowling. A police was win. A police shot no and now from gra. Goalkeeper no asom gra. No pressure. Tambazwani, one will be a go clash wo. One Abrantia Efrano.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Alvarado Roberto. Stadium ni. You never Messi be wow now Messi today. It's a huge stadium. And Crofoko Manimo. You see Morocco Stadium among the Worldcup and Ababasu 2013. And Yasam Kitwao. And Yasam Kitwa cry.
87.9 Kumasi.
81 minutes. Aka 9 minutes. Now I can't see any now, but then so Vieira no on my friend Refino. Send some money BC. It's young Kosher. I think sir a 10 bags one idiano. The referee has been called to the Vieira. Possible red card. I know I for Mexico and I say South Africa. Oh, I didn't say Bono. The South Africans are indisciplined. I'm team Chromo Amobo Ghana for the other we know.
Akoma FM 87.9
Oh,
Kumasi.
of the ball incident. Referee, deɛ wahwɛ obetumi ama no record.
Nsa ɔde ne nsa no bɔ no. Ne nsa ɔbɔ no. Wɔtwe mu no wɔtwe ɔbɔ no. Nti ɔhwɛ na sɛ ne saa deɛ a they will take it to be a violent conduct.
Oh,
Wabona so.
Ah, this will be a red card.
It will be a red card.
Ah. Oh. The South Africans, they are proving to be indisciplined. And I out of frustration, right?
It's a bus and one to was here.
Referee announced it to the stadium. The who of VR will come will be a TV. Say because of this and that and that. Tembazwani obe musesieno. Hey, and the camera will be on 20 minutes someone in quartet. Tembazwani. One of Swanya red card.
When they no start talk, we no start take us out. Wow, they are.
Oh, Tembazwani be more 20 minutes. Oh, the South Africans. Hey, on my African, you know, with the idea. Hamza, so we coach now play. I say, yeah. Our fans say, "Party now, baby," because 2-0 down there, and you're out completely.
Well, with this, no, tactically, you need not to be in rush. At least you see that mobile maintaining more goals now, and I say mobile calm down. So my man some big there, you concede a lot. So at this minute, you need not to rush. At least they should keep their structure and make sure they are in compact shape. So they are want to give you a lot of penetration pass and also want to break it between your more backline. So they need to stay compact and then play in a careful manner. So they are more consider.
They need to stay compact and play in a more careful manner. So they are woman consider. South Africa, they are down by 2 men. Yashua Mutu, all players 2 when your record. So over there, MZ 2-2 now no mobile. Akoma 87.9. South Africa are down by 2 goals and also down by 2 men. It is a seno. A 9 against 11. It is a cruise no Oma Ire Omohopa. Assemble to 85 minutes. Aka 5 minutes. Now game in Engineer. The Mexicans shoot and must score another goal. The Mexicans shoot and must score another goal. Because group no more than 2 teams in Akano. Korea and Czech and Obia Hadley. Mekayo says South Africa, they will be the first team to pack their things out. We should play Worldcup games. No boy now, no one convincing. Matches now, my boy, no one convincing. Almost will be pure hand temper, almost acclimatization. My boy, no need more. Acclimatization be a here. The Mexicans are in the lead. In fact, they should score another goal. The Mexicans are in the lead. Area possession in here. 80 plus. Mexico on the move. South Africa forums omo yire chire hold mu ye pa. Mexico. South Africa, they are in possession. The Piambo no quite chile nanso. Hey. Hey. Mbokazi, Kaketua been a one to Bobo and the affair will be anymore for more. Which is that South Africa for naturally. Omo very indisciplined. Now go bit to road this store free store I coach na me see. Store will be a beji ya didn't you me gumu or ton. Oh, Omukrom on Efe. Yama here. Yes, Capram. South Africa for no omu yen discipline. Na menim say ombeti Africa nim but omu ye die.
Akoma FM 87.
The Mexicans they should score a third goal. $87 minutes. Aka 3 minutes na game ni nyina ba na wie. Akoma 87.9 live commentary. The FIFA World Cup opening game. Yeah, the commentary matches no. Yeah, the baby banka krasa live commentary. Any entra kopem say World Cup no baba wie. Aye Angel Rock Mesha Congo ointment. ABA Herbal Clinic. And I feel best brain publications. Bonso ukuta wajaton dia ubetimi afre. Na yetimi arane well PM and I say ya promo 2 at the amount. Number ube friend is 0208 853 995. 0208 853 995. Fresh this year, any amount discount. Evidence Bacopa. One in Coliso Modal. In Peniformia pa. South Africa in 2 red cards. And they are down by 2. Aka 2 minutes. Now I can see any but area.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Aka 2 minutes. Game where they mean sure say yeah the more than 3 minutes never to so. And now okay, changes about teams higher substitution. VAR Bemu. It's likely say between about 5 minutes. Edson Alvarez. Or the ball on Atrusuro, one echo back to Edson Alvarez. Ubedeni, Wapeja Bono and so Abobi. Or the Tia Primbono, born inside Mexico. They are still attacking. Next South Africa for over winning possession. South Africa over winning possession. Next Mexico for us Abajibi. Oma Sabaji Bono from Musem. Omo Abaji Bono from Musem. In Bokazi, and Yamawaso on Subedi yellow card. In Bokazi, South Africa for the very indisciplined. VAR for also more flare ref no Koshe. I'm the way to Tonesa. Ref in it is 7 minutes. 7 minutes and after so. 7 minutes of additional time. And answer stoppage. 7 minutes. Mexico for no Piambono. Edson Alvarez. Bojemo Adema. Gonzalez Amando. Amando's web Pianama. Alvarado Roberto. Mexico for the Rabos Numo. I am a move from Piemukem. Mexico in possession. Mexico. They are playing some good football. Referee. Obiatiato say, Cratch, sorry. What's me for when that damn South Africa, they can score a consolation. Coliso. This is another goal scoring opportunity. Referee today. Obvious goal scoring opportunity to be another yellow card. Wilton Sampaio, what also the red card? Hey, Mexico's winning a red card. Referee. Situation,
you know.
And then one man can you?
Because you see one side, but the other side, the place is over. The play back in you. And to say no, the he was not moving towards goal. A foul. But we didn't find an obvious goal scoring opportunity.
The difference is late arrival.
Yeah, but we said baby are not all corner. In face Paul, no. Baby all corner, no on face Paul, no. And or the other side. nti ọmọ wọn ha sẹ no ebi tún ara bẹsẹ àná wá sí okay nti mi fi sẹ saa record wey mu ẹ yẹ has but ọ̀nà ọ̀yẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀nà bí à nso ẹ̀mfẹ̀ no
which means ọmọ
agree with him
okay
nti yẹn fa mi sábà sọ hwẹ sẹdi ní esi kọ ní di a bẹẹbi àná ọkọ no n'ẹnyà di a ọfẹsi pole no nti ẹhọ ní ẹyẹ a
okay Caesar Montes wọ́n bọ́ bọ́ọ̀ paa o wọ́n control ekyirẹ́ ọ paa wọ́n akọ́ yẹ sá mistake no. Three records in one game. Won the World Cup. 3 records in one game. Ebiesida. Yeah, my referee.
VR for so
and say the decision or rescinding team. It means them so winning the game. Because they mean when they say we move defenders no more makano or more late.
You feel say bia, I'm fine say obvious goal scoring opportunity. I'm fine say bia. Or you see excessive force. You see excessive force as well. And so I take record. In fact, me I'm seeing that way.
A free kick back home in Bokazi. Then so yeah, South Africa for 90 minutes fanya me. Rowan Williams. South Africa players in England, but ayo, omoji omesho mo, Mexico. What went to me for free kick na nye bibia. Yabo 7 minutes no, yabo mu 4. 7 minutes no, yabo mu 4. 7 minutes no, yabo mu 4. Aka 3.
87.9.
Mexico. South Africa, they are searching for a consolation. Evidence Makopa. Wadiama Bokwena Wabu Piapia. Be a greedy here. So just a short to the heaven or some mobile. South Africa gave no amfa. Gave no amfa. In Bokazi,
Akoma FM 87.
Oman Takia, Mountains over Brepe. Mexico, what you bought a man at Russia. Aka Simanamiano. Aka Simanamiano. Na. Game in Banaway. Rowan Williams. In possession, Williams also Munyabutre. Oh, yes, smart to that crowd will be teacher and the room here. A particular South Africa, they are trying so hard for a consolation. Mexico for the Ibon fear. Mexico for the Ibon fear on a trash here. A throwing. Yamato Adietia Mexico. Akasimana Bako. Now I can't see any na Banaria. Akasimana Bako. Now I can't see any na Banaria. South Africa.
Akoma FM
87. Nanso. Mexico. Maneko. We may attend Guana. Or Fabo de Behu. Ofabo de Behu. Aquano Bem says yes, one meal. Vargas Alexis Vargas. Nelson, South Africa on the move. Referee. Also, play must continue. And answer Washana Bay. Will be out of form. Police over down. Hey. It's the other man pa. You say boy there, put in someone new camera over there. We any akoyaba. A free kick. South Africa and Cherry referee. Obeshana bem akensi ni nyina barawie. Refi waiting some power. Washana Bendi, I can see it in South Africa, nil Mexico 2. South Africa, nil Mexico 2. I'm trying to home race here, not Panano and Church of Madrid.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay. 90 minutes in South Africa. Elusu game no by 2 goals to nil. Hamza.
Steve.
South Africa, almost Mexico, but unfortunate, almost echo down by 2 red cards. A game now produces 3 red cards in all. You know, Sena game, from the Mexico point and then the South African point.
Well, tactically, where South African team now, they started very slow in terms of their build up, and then almost structure now, yes, almost the best starting. That is the same thing now, almost the realm, because all share almost backline and anytime they lose play, you see some almost back 5, but the problem at the backline was poor organization, almost defensive structure, and it was very poor, especially for more lateral defenders, on the part of their right side. Anytime they are when you watch the action, also you watch the player coming from behind. He's the threat. Into show almost second goal, no see na player they were watching the action, almost share ball, meaning one player is coming from behind. Into on Timinya advantage, which they are also coach working on it. Even the first goal, they were waiting for a low cross and a bit of pressure. They call player and so ball. And it happened severally, and I went to uncle and me and defend it. Into which more tactically, I think your more performance now down. Kakra official next game I know say hopefully on change a lot of things on my pushing and more attacking so mostly nothing be an almost stretch and here 1-5-3-2 now more attack a 3-4-3 official back 4 also multi supportive play of the up front the distance between the attack and the midfield was too wide. Anytime you attack as never there was no player to give support. A lot of passes up front. That was why I went to me and a lot of chances inside this game. And you could pay Mexicans so they started with very good organization at the back, which are more backline. They started with 1-4-3-3, of which anytime you almost started build up now. One of the lateral defenders ne push up, then no makunya 4 in the middle, not 3 behind. So 3 behind it tends to be 3-4-3. Until anytime they have no less than 7 players pushing into your half. Of which are only more you need to get them closer. And more up front, so them more stretchy game, no more open up wide because the idea was to play from the width and then use the middle to break lines into more BMO. Then spaces by a damn backline, and as more marking team into my spaces them and the team will give you a lot of penetration passes or to try to break the line. And some keep compact or more try some combining passes in the middle. No more attracting mobile anymore. No more finding behind your back line or and they almost second goal nearby. So tells you say they are well structured and then they were able to watch their game very well and almost deploy a system now at my one. So good to the head coach and then the team as well.
Coach Hamza Asante Kotoko. Coach and I wanted to game no abara South Africa and to me